Good morning to all. Welcome to your science class. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 10, reaching the age of adolescence. Further pages explanation. Today our topic, the endocrine glands and hormones. What is endocrine gland? A gland that secretes a substance, a hormones into the blood streams. The endocrine glands are glands of internal secretion. Endocrine glands secrete hormones direct into the blood. Many types of endocrine glands like pituitary glands, also known as master glands, is attached to the brain. The pituitary hormones stimulate the hormonal secretion of testes and ovaries. Testes and ovaries are endocrine glands. Besides these glands, there are another endocrine glands such as thyroid, pancreas, adrenal, etc. These glands secrete other hormones. Thyroid gland secrete thyroxine, and due to insufficient secretion of thyroxine, a person can suffer from a disease called goiter. Insulin can Insulin and another hormone is secreted from pancreas. When pancreas does not produce insulin in sufficient quantity, a person can suffer from diabetes. Pancreas is a mixed gland, secretion of enzyme and hormones both. A person can suffer from diabetes. Similarly, adrenal gland also produce hormones that maintains the salt concentration in the blood. During the stress or when a person feel very anger, worried and embarrassed, adrenal gland secrete a hormone called adrenaline. But these glands, thyroid and adrenal, secrete their hormones when they get message from pituitary gland through its hormones. The normal body growth of the body depends on the hormones secreted from pituitary called growth hormones. Look at this diagram. Hormones secreted from pituitary gland and message from pituitary gland from to thyroid gland and adrenal gland. Then thyroid gland release thyroxine hormones and adrenal gland release adrenaline hormones, and hormones that balance that the salt concentration which release from adrenal gland. Reproductive health of adolescent. The term reproductive health refers to healthy reproductive organ by structurally and functionally. According to World Health Organization, reproductive health is defined as the complete physical and mental well-being of an individual in all aspects of reproduction. To remain healthy, a balanced diet is needed for an individual at all stages of life. During adolescence, a nutrition or balanced diet become more essential to remain healthy in all aspects of reproduction. Because it is a stage of rapid growth and development, it is particularly essential for women. A woman during menstruation loses blood, and for that they need more iron in the balanced diet. Even during pregnancy, women needed balanced diet for a healthy baby. Balanced diet. A balanced diet contains appropriate amount of carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and traces. In a balanced diet, all nutrients like carbohydrate, proteins, fats, and vitamins in a right proportions is called balanced diet. Our Indian meals, roti, rice, pulses, and vegetables is a balanced diet. Milk is also a balanced diet. Mother's milk provides all the nutrients that a baby needs for proper growth and to be healthy. Foods for adolescent. Iron is required for the blood formation and very essential for women. Leafy vegetables, meat, eggs, citrus fruit, Indian gooseberry, amla, jaggery, and good for the growing teenagers. Junk food such as pizza, burger, chips, snacks, etc. should be avoided because it does not contain right proportion of nutrients. That is, nutrient value is very low. This is harmful for our healthy diet. Personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is necessary for all the persons to avoid infection. It also necessary for teenagers because their sweat and sebaceous glands become very active and release more oil and sweat. So one should need to have a bath daily to clean their body. Menstruating girl and women need extra care to clean their body to avoid infection and physical exercise to remain healthy in all aspects. Do physical exercise such as walking, jogging, playing, cycling, and swimming, which makes your body healthy and fit. Avoid and say no to the drugs. High activity of body and mind during adolescence produces confusions and insecurity in the teenagers. This is the time when you become addict of drug. If you take them once, you will become addicted to drugs and your body will demand again and again. So, if anybody suggests you to take drugs, just say no. If it is not prescribed by the doctor, drugs harm the body and ruin the healthy and happiness. So, do not take drugs in adolescent and any other ages. Drugs is harmful for our health and happiness. And AIDS is a virus disease, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. You may have definitely heard about AIDS, which is caused by a virus, HIV, human immunovirus. Attacks on our immune system so that immune system become weak. Virus transfer from one person to another by sharing syringe and needle, that is used of injecting drugs. Virus also passes from an infected mother to her baby through her milk and by infected blood transfusion from one infected person to another. And precautions of AIDS about the use of syringe and needle. Blood used for transfusion should be taken from a registered blood bank. Breastfeeding should not be done by the infected mother. So today our topic chapter number 10 and the endocrine glands and reproductive health of adolescents is finished, and chapter 10 is complete. We will discuss our next chapter in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.